Hello, I'm Emma. I'm the founder and director of Scarf Monkey. I hope you had a lovely Christmas and a happy new year. We've had some lovely snow up here in the Highlands. The mountains always look particularly beautiful after it's been snowing. The garden has been full of snow and the roads have been icy, but on the whole it's been a lovely and relaxing break for us. I hope it's been the same for you. The kids are back at school this week, so I'm working really hard in the Scarf Monkey workshop to get our new designs up and running for the coming year. Today I wanted to talk about one of the designs, which is just a simple solar system design. I've been thinking about this t-shirt, I think for about 4 years, looking at how other people show solar systems and represent them, thinking about whether or not I should be drawing them in cartoon form or more realistically, if I should be including the writing with the names and more scientific information. And so finally I've gone onto the computer and I've drawn a solar system, and today is the first day I'm going to print it. And printing is always, printing something for the first time is always quite hair-raising, because something that can look really good on a screen, when you put it on a t-shirt, it can look terrible. And the other way around, something that you think will look, that looks not so great on a screen, and you print it on a t-shirt and it looks fabulous. So it's a moment where we get to see if the time and effort that I've spent drawing something will come to fruition when it's put on a t-shirt. So also today I'm going to show you how the t-shirts are printed, how the printer puts the ink onto the t-shirt, and I hope that you enjoy seeing that. The process is called DTG printing, which is direct to garment printing. It's different from other types of printing, screen printing, which you might recognise the name of, and also other types of transfer printing, because it's like having a giant inkjet printer, and it prints directly onto the t-shirt. The t-shirt has been pre-treated. I'll show you the pre-treating process another time in another video. So the t-shirt, the machine lays down 3 layers of ink, 2 layers of white ink, and that produces the surface for the final colour print, which I'll show you at the end. This is the printer laying down the second ink surface. One of the things that I'm looking for with this first test print is to see how well all the finer details of the drawing are being represented. So with this one, the drawings of the rings of Saturn and Uranus are very fine, and so I'm looking to see if those have been successfully shown through in the print. If not, then I'd have to go back to the computer and produce a much higher quality image, which would I'd then have to sample print again. As you can see, the colour layer is a little slower in printing than the other layers. That's because there are multiple cartridges and multiple printer heads at work, whereas with the white it's just a single colour and it's much faster. I'm just going to move the camera to show you what the final print looks like on the printer. It looks okay? Looking good so far. This is the final part of the printing process, and this is a heat press. It's like a giant iron. In many ways this is the most risky part of the process. The heat can be too high or too low, the ink can be too thick, the pressure put on by the machine can be too high. Those are all adjustable things, and the need can vary for each t-shirt as well, and the design of each t-shirt. Some designs use more ink and therefore need a higher temperature or a higher pressure. It has an automatic release, and now I'm going to try and show you the finished product, and we can see how successful we've been. There we are. I'm afraid I can't stand behind the camera to see if you can see that. That's our finished t-shirt. Not bad for a first attempt. I hope you've enjoyed looking at how the t-shirts are printed here in the Scarf Monkey workshop, and learning a little bit about the design process and how each t-shirt is produced. Hope you have a lovely week, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.